Welcome to the AX Odycy Hotel in Malta.
In this episode, we show you the highlights of the resort in a complete hotel and room tour.
And of course, in our honest review, we also address the downsides that you should know before you go. The AX Odycy Hotel in Malta. An inviting stay designed for comfort and convenience.
Whether you're traveling as a family or with friends, this hotel is a great base for enjoying Malta's sunny atmosphere, warm hospitality, and easy access to the island's highlights.
The lobby sets the tone from the moment you arrive. It feels bright and welcoming.
With a modern, clean look that makes you instantly relax.
Expect a comfortable atmosphere where you can check in, take a quick break, and get that vacation mode feeling right away. The 24/7 coffee bar in the lobby serves specialty coffee,
healthy juices, and balanced snacks in a relaxing atmosphere.
But we didn't come here to stay in the lobby. At AX Odycy, you can choose from several pool areas.
There are pools in different sizes and for different purposes. You will find small pools like this, with cozy lounges.
Or this red one, which is right next to the pool bar.
There is also a large family pool with a water park. Your kids will love it.
And even a kids club is part of the resort. But for reasons of respect and privacy, we did not film there and took the pool recordings early in the morning, where hardly any people were present. But of course, it gets pretty loud and crowded here during the day.
But don't worry. If you prefer to enjoy the sun without children screaming, there are other pool options for you.
Here we are at the rooftop pool deck.
Here you find the adults-only pool.
There are two small infinity pools.
The view from up here is amazing.
And they even have two whirlpools up here.
Whether you're looking to lounge or take a refreshing break, the pool setup makes it easy.
And for those who cannot do without their workout during the holiday, there is a well-equipped gym.
Last but not least, there is also an indoor pool area, which is open until late evening.
In addition to the swimming pool, you will find another whirlpool.
And a special surprise, the sauna.
Let's talk about the rooms. They're designed to feel cozy, practical and comfortable. Perfectly after a day out exploring Malta. The bed is really comfy. You'll find a clean, restful setup with the essentials for a good night's sleep.
But be aware that the furniture is rather of low quality.
And that it can be very noisy in and around the hotel. On the one hand, there is the busy street directly in front of the hotel, which causes noise.
But unfortunately, there are also very loud guests who do not take into account the quiet needs of other guests.
On top, our room was facing east, which means that you will be woken up early in the morning by the rising sun.
Earplugs and sleeping mask are therefore highly recommended.
If you don't have your own sleeping mask yet, you can buy one in the hotel shop. There are also all kinds of other useful things to buy. Food is a big part of the experience, and the restaurant options at AX Odycy Hotel make it convenient to enjoy delicious meals during your trip. Although the restaurant also offers several served restaurants, we stick with the 2 self-service restaurants. We especially liked that a different local specialty was offered every day. The breakfast buffet is also very versatile and leaves little to be desired. You can even treat yourself to a glass of Prosecco if you like it for breakfast. But we preferred to save the cocktails for the happy hour. Finally, we take a look at the map. The AX Odycy Hotel is located in the northeast of Malta. The popular Café del Mar is within walking distance of the hotel. If you want to know more about it, watch our video about Malta cities. The most beautiful beaches of Malta are also in the north. We have also created a separate video on that. Don't miss it! Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next episode.
That's it for now. Thanks for watching.